Got an easy one today. We got a Honda Accord that needs a new license plate bulb. Let's get to it. Alright, we're working on a 7th generation Accord, so this one's a 2007. So here's our license plate lights. This is the one that was out, so I already replaced it. There's the bad bulb right there, so I figured I'd bring it along. We'll go ahead and switch this one out too. Now this one's working, but typically if I replace one, I just go ahead and replace the other one. So you can see when I pull them apart, I clean them too. That's why this one looks cleaner. So let's get this one out. So if we look at the position of our lights right there, if we look underneath, we can see here's the plug for one, and if we look over here, here's the plug for the other one. See if I can get you a better shot of that. And if we look from over here, let's try to get you a better shot. So that tab right over here on this side, so on this side over here, that's what we're going to have to press to pop it out. It'll be the same on the other one too. They're both in the same location. Alright, I'm just going to reach under here and press that tab and try to pop it out. So I'll get you a look right here. So I'm just using one finger, try to pop it out like that. And then it's holds on the other side. So you can see on this side right here, there's a little slot that just holds onto this area right here. And then this side, that's what I pressed. So you just press on this and this side will pop out. And then you got to pop it out. You got to pull it like this to get it out of that. And then it's at a little bit of an angle. You can see how it's at an angle like that. So you kind of got to fish it out. So now we can go ahead and unplug it. Alright, now we need to separate this gray piece from the clear plastic. And we have a retainer type of clip right here and right here. And so all we got to do is kind of just squeeze them in like that. We just got to be careful because this plastic can get brittle with age and it'll just snap off right there. So we just kind of have to be careful, and you got to press with a little bit of force to get it to overcome it. But just like that, and now we have it separated. Now we should be able to just reach in there and just pull the bulb straight out. And now if they've been in there a while, they might be a little tight, but you can see how dark this one is. It wasn't long for this world, I'm sure. So we'll go ahead and get a new one and get it replaced. So these license plate bulbs are a 168. So that's what we're going to replace it with, a 168. So I got a whole box full of 168. And if I'm touching a bulb, I don't like to get oils from my fingers on them. So that's why I use a glove. But we just have to snap it in here. Just like that. And it seems to be okay. Now we just got to put it back together. Now this thing's pretty dirty, so I'm just going to wash the inside and the outside real quick with a little bit of soapy water. Just try to clean it up. Well, it's a little bit cleaner. The light actually might shine through there now. So now we got to put this back together. So we want to line up this little notch right here with that. Of course it goes at an angle, and then we want these to kind of snap into place without breaking them. So let's see if we can do it. It's a little bit of a balancing act. Popped right in. Sometimes it kind of be a pain. They don't ever want to line up, but there we go. Now we can reinstall it. Plug it back in, and we should be able to just kind of fish it in. Come on, like that, and then we just have to catch it on this side and snap it on the other. Done. And let's verify they work, and hey, look at that. We got 2 lights working. Well, that's it for this one, and as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.